Hey everyone. So in this video, I will show you how post conversation analysis work in Sigma Mind AI and how easy it is to set up. Let's see. So from your agent builder, click here and go to this post conversation analysis section. So here you can see we have already defined a field summary. You can add any new field here that you want AI to extract from your conversation. So first you will have to toggle this on, and then you can add new field here. Here you can see you have four option: text, selector, boolean, number. So let's see one by one. So let's say if you want to add any text here. So this text basically used when you want the AI to generate a written response, such as summary of the conversation and the main reason for the call. You just need to give insight name here. Let's say conversation summary. And here you just need to give the instructions, like write a concise summary of the conversation up to the point of transfer so the next participant has full context. Anything like that. You can give a brief instruction here. And then click on this submit. That's it. Here you can see this conversation summary is added. Now AI will extract the summary from your conversation, and this summary you can send it to any system like any CRM or Google Sheet using our SigmaMind webbook. If you want, you can edit also, and you can delete it from here as well. You can also choose from model like from GPT 4o mini, or which model actually you want to use for analysis. Next option is selector. So this actually allow the AI to choose from the predefined options. So this is useful when you want a structured output, such as categorizing the conversation into options like billing issue, technical issues, or general inquiry. Next one is boolean. So boolean type is used when you want a simple true or false answer. For example, you could use this to determine whether the customer issue was resolved during the call, or follow up is required, just based on the true or false answer. You just need to give the insight name and the analysis instructions and click on submit. That's it. So next one is number. So number field actually allow the AI to return a numeric value. So this can be useful for things like rating customer sentiment on a scale, counting the number of issues mentioned, or assigning a score to the conversation. You just need to give an insight name and the instruction here, and then click on submit. That's it. So this is the post conversation analysis on Sigma Mind AI. Try it out. Thank you.